Many ASUS Zephyrus users experience problems connecting external monitors through HDMI or USB-C ports. The laptop's powerful NVIDIA GPU needs proper configuration to send signals to displays. The most common problems stem from three main causes: outdated drivers that don't properly communicate with the hardware, incorrect GPU settings that prevent the NVIDIA processor from handling display output, and faulty cables that can't transmit the signal correctly. The signal flows from the NVIDIA GPU through the laptop's ports to reach your monitor. Proper GPU configuration ensures the dedicated graphics processor handles the display output instead of the integrated graphics. Before troubleshooting software, verify your cables support the required specifications. USB-C cables must support DisplayPort Alt mode, and HDMI cables should be 2.0 or higher for 4K displays. Most connection problems can be resolved by updating your graphics drivers, adjusting GPU settings in the NVIDIA control panel, and ensuring you have compatible cables. ASUS Zephyrus laptops use NVIDIA Optimus technology to switch between two types of graphics processors for efficient power management. The integrated GPU handles basic tasks like web browsing, while the discrete NVIDIA GPU is more powerful but uses more battery. Optimus automatically switches between them. By default, external monitors connect through the integrated GPU to save power. This can cause connectivity issues when you need the full performance of the discrete GPU. To fix this, force the NVIDIA discrete GPU for display output using the NVIDIA control panel. In Manage 3D Settings, select NVIDIA High Performance Processor. On ASUS Zephyrus laptops, you'll find both HDMI and USB-C ports for connecting external monitors. Each has different capabilities and requirements. HDMI ports are typically connected to the integrated GPU. To use them with external monitors, you need to switch to the discrete GPU through NVIDIA settings. USB-C ports provide superior support for high-resolution displays up to 8K, but they require cables that support DisplayPort Alt mode. A significant percentage of connection issues stem from faulty or incompatible cables. Always verify your cables support the required standards, or consider purchasing new certified ones. Outdated NVIDIA drivers or BIOS versions can lock out monitor ports, preventing connections. Update drivers through GeForce Experience or download from the ASUS website. If you've overclocked your system, reset the BIOS to default settings to remove conflicts. Regularly keeping your system updated ensures optimal performance and connectivity. Common symptoms include a black screen, which means no signal is reaching the monitor, and flickering, which indicates refresh rate problems. For quick diagnostics, open Windows Display Settings and click Detect to find your monitor. If the monitor is not detected, check Device Manager for any driver errors affecting display adapters. The first troubleshooting steps are always update drivers, switch GPUs, test cables and ports, and then reset BIOS. Let's say your HDMI connection fails after a Windows update. A common fix is rolling back NVIDIA drivers to version 545.29 and enabling the MUX Switch in your BIOS. This has resolved the problem in many cases. To roll back a driver, open Device Manager, find your display adapters, right-click, and select Properties. Then click the Driver tab and select Rollback Driver. If the rollback option is grayed out, download an older driver from the NVIDIA website and follow the installation process. Next, enable the MUX Switch in your BIOS. Restart your laptop and enter BIOS. Go to Advanced Settings, find the MUX Switch option, enable it, and save changes. Be sure to reboot after installing the driver or changing BIOS settings. Update ASUS Armoury Crate to the latest version. Newer releases often include a display optimizer mode that automatically resolves monitor connectivity issues by optimizing GPU settings and port configurations. If Armoury Crate issues persist, try third-party tools like MSI Afterburner. This software provides precise control over GPU parameters, allowing you to manually adjust clock speeds, voltage, and temperature limits for stable external monitor connections. Some community members have created open-source tools and scripts that automate NVIDIA settings and GPU switching. These solutions are particularly helpful for users who have trouble navigating Armoury Crate, providing automated fixes for connectivity problems. ASUS is integrating AI diagnostics into Armoury Crate for automatic issue detection. NVIDIA's future drivers promise seamless Optimus, eliminating manual switching. USB-C standardization will reduce port incompatibility. While hardware defects can occur rarely, software fixes are becoming more effective. It's important to stay up to date and understand how your system is configured.